Hey guys, I am using my phone today because I don't have time to pull out my other whole setup, so if I'm not looking directly in the lens, that's why I'm not really as comfortable using this. Like, I don't really know quite where to look on this as I do my other one. My air conditioner's on, it's in the middle of summer and it's very hot, so I apologize. I'm going to do a pretty simple look today. I'm just giving this VH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Smoke palette a try. I've only used one color out of it so far, and that was this black to do a goth look, but I want to do something for work right now, and so I'm thinking I'm going to be real simple and just use these two colors. I'll probably use this color first as a transition, but these two colors are mainly what I'm going to use. I have my foundation on and some powder, but that's all I have on. I didn't do any concealer or color corrector, and so this side of my face is more red. That's the side that had the radiation therapy, and I normally put the green color corrector on it and then, you know, try to even out the skin tone, but I didn't feel like doing all that today. Now I'm going to go into this deeper, it's like a purple color it looks like. I haven't even swatched these, so I can't be sure what they're going to look like on. Well, I can't say that it looks purple, really. I don't know what I would call it. It's also want to be a little patchy. I'm going to put some glitter glue on my eyelid, and while it's still wet, I am doing this lighter shimmer color sitting next to it. And I'm just going to start with my finger and see if that works. Oh yeah, it looks good. And now I want to take that purpley color again and bring it in the outer and maybe a little in the inner and under my eye. So a little bit more right here to kind of blend in those colors. I did something that I don't normally do, which is I only put eyeliner on the top because I think it looks fine without having some underneath. And you'll notice that I didn't have any fallout. The only other color I used in this palette was that black, and I didn't have fallout with it when I used it either. So I'm liking this palette, it's nice. Alright guys, that's the finished look. I'm really happy with this palette. The color payout is nice, they blend together well, there's no kick up and fallout really, and this is really the first look I've done with it. Like I said, I've used only one other color out of it before, and so far both times I've been really happy with it. So yeah, this is it. I'm getting ready to go to work now.